Merrock is located in Dongguan, China, which is known as the World Factory. We focus on the research and production of floor grinding machines and floor abrasives. There are more than 20 models of grinding machine to meet the needs of customers in different countries. We have more than 20 CNC and advanced gear hobbing equipment to ensure the accuracy of each part. We have passed ISO 9001-2015 CE certifications. The products are exported to 76 countries and regions and have won the unanimous recognition of customers from various countries.